And why we are here today, that's to celebrate that now after a very long process, we now have a new great product to sell, to launch today. So it's one step smaller, it's one step more efficient, it can take more ways of controlling. So that's more for, if we should say it, new appliances from our clients.
The main advantages are the possibilities to replace the today UPM in our hydraulic group with a perfectly new pump.
We are so fortunate we have some of the biggest and most demanding clients in front of us. And if we cannot set the demands, they can help us.
I would like to thank a technician of Grundfos for a good partnership during the developing of this project, because for us it was so important to the respect of a target in terms of timing.
So we have a set of very firm, very factual demands. We have a very professional engineering R&D team, and then we have a factory that needs to set up a new manufacturing line. And I would say the biggest accomplishment have been to make these three things happening nearly simultaneous here over the last two and a half years.